this morning we've got street carts, but we decided to come and try McDonald's breakfast and see what it's saying. So I've gone for a bacon and egg sandwich.
We've got apple juice. Is it black coffee? Caramel coffee. We're sharing some pancakes. That looks so nice. With syrup. And then I have an egg McMuffin and an iced caramel latte. How's that?
Coffee's nice.
Yep.
You get hash browns.
We're just walking now to the street carts place. It's a little bit out of where we've been so far.
Yeah, so it took about 40 minutes on the train.
Yeah, from where we're staying.
40 minutes on the train. And about a 15-minute walk after.
But the walk's nice, it's blue skies, it's sunny.
Soaking in our bit D, aren't we?
Yeah. I'm a bit nervous about this.
I still don't know why you're feeling nervous.
I think
you're feeling chill.
I think it's just a new country. There's no protection on the go-kart.
Yeah.
So,
but they've got loads of traffic lights, haven't they? So I don't think you'll actually be driving full throttle very often.
I don't know, we'll see. But I think, are we going to pay extra to do the onesies?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see what character we go for. What are you hoping for?
Maybe like either like a Mario or like a Pikachu.
Pikachu.
I don't know if they do the Pokemon ones. I'm not sure if it's just the Mario.
Yeah.
But we'll give it a go, see what it's saying, isn't it?
Yeah. I think we're going to pay extra as well to film.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that works because I haven't seen anyone with them on.
Yeah.
So we saw a couple of people last night.
They might not have paid extra for it though.
Yeah.
I think it's like 1,000 yen or something.
Yeah, it was cheap.
Yeah.
It's not much.
Like
It's
per
like a
person.
£5 or something.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll do that. So yeah, we'll update you once we've finished. We're here. There you go.
Pikachu!
We just finished the street carts. It was so fun.
So good.
It was really fun.
100% recommend.
And it was really long. Like,
so fast as well.
I thought it was going to be half the duration that it was.
Yeah.
It just kept going.
So we left at about, it was probably about 1 o'clock. We got there well early, to be fair, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then you leave at about 1 o'clock. We only got back at about quarter to 3, so you get about 2.5 hours.
You get a really long
About
time.
2 hours. Yeah.
So we went with Tokyo Bay street carts,
Yeah.
and the route we did, we went over the Rainbow Bridge and then to Tokyo Tower. But basically, to get to there, you're just on, it's almost a motorway.
Yeah.
It's really fast. Some places the ground was uneven.
Yeah.
And so we were bumping, and yeah, at one point a car nearly went into me,
Oh, yeah.
which Rory saw.
He just didn't really see you, did he?
No. All I saw was a car going into it was like near, all I saw was a car coming past me, but it was already in my lane. Look, that was so fun though.
My legs were...
I like jelly.
So we bought just the standard package. I think for a midday you get it half price.
Yeah.
So we thought, oh, we'll just go today because it will be cold. We don't want to be frozen. Because the people before us were coming in and they were like, oh, it's so cold, so cold.
Yeah.
But I was warm the whole time.
Yeah, I was warm. The only thing that was a bit cold was your feet, but they give you foot warmers. No,
Little heat pads.
like heat pads, and then they stick to the shoes.
Yeah.
But they worked for you, didn't they? They didn't really work for me.
Mine was chilly because I put them in like the arches of my feet, so it kind of warmed up my heels and warmed up my toes.
Yeah.
So I was chilling. And then they give you like gloves. You get like the onesies, a little hat. My hat came off,
Yeah, it flew around his neck.
so I just took it up. And then you can get like little gloves, little face mask. Which the woman before us, she said, "Oh, I would take them." I don't know if you necessarily needed it.
Yeah.
I think I just took
If
it
you,
off
if
after.
you see on the clips the mask under our chin, it was just uncomfortable.
We did it because we wanted to like not get so much like petrol.
Yeah.
In the face. But I quite like the smell of petrol.
Well,
so it's
every
all
time I was breathing with this mask on, my glasses would steam up.
right. Oh yeah.
So I was like, I can either
not
choose
really-
sight or
Do I want to be blinded?
Yeah.
Or do I want to not smell some things?
yeah. So I just was like, put it around my chin.
Um,
But the guy even said, "Oh, like feel free to take pictures when
knew
you
you
stopped
would
at
have
lights."
said-
I was thinking, how would I ever get my phone out quick enough?
I know, and I kept being really paranoid about. There's a little pouch which you stick your passport and your driving license bit in.
Was you nervous about it?
Yeah, I just kept thinking, oh, it's going to fall off, it's going to fall off. But I would strongly recommend that. It was a really
Yeah, it
good
was really
experience.
really worth the money. And at the end, they give you a little printout of the picture,
Yeah,
which is
I
really
thought
nice.
It was really nice.
So we had a printout at the end, which I wasn't expecting, and then he airdrops all the photos of your
There's
group.
loads of photos, wasn't there?
Yeah, there's quite a few. So they change your positioning as you go around. So we began at the back, then we went to the front, and then we were in the middle.
I actually think it was more fun being at the back.
I
Because
felt
you
like
were kind of having to chase people.
I felt like we went really fast at the back.
Yeah.
Like, because the first time we went over Rainbow Bridge, I thought it was very fast. Like,
We were just gunning.
I
it,
felt a
weren't
bit unsafe at some
Yeah,
points.
yeah.
I was like, wow. And then on the second time, we were at the front, and he said, "It's going to be faster this time, guys." And I was like,
Yeah, I
faster?
thought it was slow.
Shit.
I thought it was
And then it was slow. I was like, oh, we must have literally just had so much gap with the people like in
Yeah.
between us that it was fast on the way there. No, but where are we going now?
We haven't really decided, to be honest. I think we're just going to head back into the city and just, I don't know what we want to do, just walk around or... We've got TeamLab's booked at 6 o'clock, so maybe we should try and find somewhere to have some lunch. Yeah, maybe some lunch and just take a bit of a breather before we go to TeamLab.
Just calm down a little bit.
My legs are my legs are aching a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, there was a bit where a light was yellow, about to turn red, and I had to make a decision. I had a hair of a second to make a decision, and I was like, I'm not being split up from this group because it was when we were at the back.
Yeah, but you're saying it was yellow with you. It was pretty much firmly red with me.
Pretty much red with Rory. So we'll figure out where we're going next.
Okay, so we've come to Kura, which is like a sushi bar place where you walk in, you get yourself a little like ticket, which is like a little booking, and then you just wait for your number to be called, which has then got little bits in the middle, really nice sushi sticks, and then you order everything.
Everything on the table. So you've got all these items here, which just come in. But then if you want something specific, you put more in there. So I think we're going to get a couple of drinks.
I might get an apple juice.
Go for it.
Do you want one as well?
Yeah, sure. So we ordered 2. So basically,
I don't remember which one this was actually. I think this was salmon with green onion.
it tastes fresh.
150 yen, I believe.
150 yen and you got 4 pieces.
Your order will arrive shortly.
Wow, so nice. What did you get?
I got tuna and salts, like sushi little thing.
Was it salmon?
Tuna. Can I?
You put your plate in.
No,
These
pretty sure.
chopsticks are difficult.
What is this?
What's going on? Are we lost?
I'm guessing that meant we lost.
We lost. Aww.
I can't eat any more sushi.
Just about to go to TeamLab Borderless. Where it's taken us to, I'm sure we drove past this for in the go-kart.
The waterfall, is it, Lauren? cool, man.
Yeah. It's a bit later now. We've just come back to the hotel. So after TeamLab Borderless, we spent about 2 hours in there. We went and got some food. We went to a local vegan restaurant, which was really nice. It was just like a really small little restaurant. The guys were really nice in there. Me and Rory both had some food in there. And then we decided just to come back to the hotel. So it's about 10:30 now. Rory's just in the shower, and we're gonna have an early night because tomorrow we're going to Asakusa and Sensoji, and I think on the night we might try a bit of karaoke. So if you'd like to see those videos, check into the next one. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you. Bye.